Okay, Miss Rita, yep, we got y'all finished up here. As you can see, we got the drip or the fascia metal on there for you, right here. And then we also got the furnace flue taken care of for you. We were able to tie into that, so that's pretty nice there. So yeah, we got the parapet walls encapsulated, and as you can see, the way that you can tell that this is tapered is we got like about 6 inches right here, and then by the time we get back here, we're almost about maybe 10 inches in height. So that shows you that the front side or the front end is higher than the back side. So yeah, this is your roof here. And then this thing here is a one-way breather, so that lets moisture escape out, condensation and things like that. And we just took care of the downspout for you there, so that should be gone. So yeah, this is the finished product. Okay, over and out.